Hello and welcome to a new, again, shady thing in the Karen Reed case. Christina Rex reported yesterday on Twitter that the same jury she have written about before, the one who said that they reached out to talk about the 12-0 on charges 1 and 3, also had reached out to the Commonwealth and com- uh, expressed their willingness to talk. But the jury says that they have only received responses from the defense despite multiple calls and voicemails to the Norfolk County DA's office. Why? Why wouldn't the Norfolk County DA's office be interested in this? Because remember what the DA should be. The DA should be the good guys. They should not work to catch an innocent just to get a conviction. They should try and give you a fair trial. They should be listening to a juror who comes out and say, we have a big problem about what's being said about this case. Why won't they even pick up the phone and ask anyone, what is this all about? We got the responses from the DA's office to the motions filed by the Karen Reed defense team, which were snarky, kind of immature responses that, nah, we don't trust you. Nothing like that ever happened. Did they send those responses after knowing a juror had tried to reach the DA's office to tell them that what the defense team stated was true? Is this just one more of those Lally moments or Canton moments? What's going on in that DA's office that they don't care about facts, that they only care about getting Karen Reed convicted of a thing that she physically couldn't have done, according to the only people who looked scientifically at the evidence? It makes you wonder how much they are betting on getting a conviction on the second go around. It makes you wonder how much lollygagging they are going to do during the second trial to try and get a conviction. Imagine having people coming forward and said, it's totally true what the defense is saying. We were unanimously agreeing she didn't do it on purpose. Why would you then keep going with that scenario? Why would you, after listening to the experts hired by the FBI, would you still keep going with a narrative that they were in a fight in a car and he got out and he was either having his hand out, his hand like this, she was doing a 3-point turn, she was reversing 24.2 miles per hour, he was flying through the air while doing a pirouette, while doing a somersault, while doing you don't have any facts that in any way lines up with your story. You have witnesses who have all changed their stories 20 billion times. Why are you now closing your eyes and ears to a witness coming forward testifying that what the defense put in their motion is true? Is it because you don't care about the truth? Is it because that DA's office in Norfolk don't give 2 cents about people's rights, that they just want an innocent woman convicted of a crime she didn't do? because connections, politics, I don't know what. I can't understand why they are still going with this one, but it seems more and more sus that the more we hear, we watched the trial. Lally had zero, nothing, indicating Karen did what he claims she did. He still went on with the trial. After getting the ARCA guy's report, he should have said, at least murder 2 is off the table. It doesn't make sense. He didn't. He kept going. He kept claiming against every scientific evidence that she did it on purpose. She hit him with that car, which doesn't make sense. And now he just closes his eyes when he get evidence that the defense is right in their motions, that they couldn't agree on count 2, the lesser included in count 2, but they were in agreement on count 1 and 3. Why doesn't he, as a responsible ADA, take that off the table then? Why didn't he file a motion to the court saying, well, clearly the jury believed that she wasn't guilty in 1 and 3. We will amend the charges and go for charge 2. To me, I don't do all the speculation of who could have, who would have, who might have. I have tried to keep it more to what have been shown in court. I have my own special little person I believe could be a prime suspect, Brian Higgins. But I know other people have other people they believe did it and other reasons why they did it. But in the end, that doesn't matter. What matters is an innocent woman is being tried for the second time by a DA's office that knows the jury unanimously voted not guilty on murder 2. It makes you really wonder, why isn't Lally a responsible ADA and takes at least murder 2 off the plate? I would still believe it's the wrong thing to try her again, because any reasonable person should have seen evidence do not back up any of the charges against her. But why does this man keep going? Is someone pressuring him to do it? Is he really that bad? Shouldn't the DA's office be the one who made sure that justice was meted out, not just punishment for someone who clearly didn't do it? It makes you wonder what's going on in Canton, and I can't wait for the next hearing in that case. Why won't Lally ask the jury? Why won't he even pick up the phone and listen to a jury? Why did he only put back a snarky remark that the defense was wrong? Really makes you wonder what motivates him. But we'll have to wait and see if more comes out.